The best foods to clean out your liver. A comprehensive guide. The liver is one of the body's most vital organs, responsible for filtering toxins from the blood, producing bile to aid digestion, and storing essential nutrients. To keep your liver functioning optimally, it's essential to fuel it with nutrient-dense foods that support its natural detoxification processes. Here are some of the best foods that can help cleanse and support liver health. 1. Garlic. Garlic is rich in sulfur compounds, which activate liver enzymes that help flush out toxins. It also contains selenium, a mineral that boosts antioxidant levels in the liver. Consuming garlic regularly can support liver health and improve overall detoxification. 2. Leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and arugula are loaded with chlorophyll, a compound that helps neutralize heavy metals, chemicals, and pesticides. These greens boost bile production, which aids in removing waste from the blood and body. They are also high in antioxidants, protecting the liver from damage and reducing inflammation. 3. Beetroot. Beets are high in antioxidants, particularly betaine and betalains, which can help reduce inflammation and support liver detoxification. They promote bile flow and improve enzymatic activity within the liver, making it easier for the body to filter toxins and waste. 4. Turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Curcumin, turmeric's active ingredient, has been shown to improve liver function by reducing oxidative stress, aiding bile production, and enhancing liver cell regeneration. Adding turmeric to your diet can give your liver a powerful boost. 5. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and limes are rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that can help stimulate liver function and neutralize free radicals. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning is especially popular as it helps kickstart liver function and improves digestion throughout the day. 6. Avocados. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that aids in filtering out harmful substances from the liver. They also contain vitamin E, which reduces liver inflammation and helps repair liver cells. Consuming avocados regularly can improve overall liver health and reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. 7. Cruciferous vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain compounds that aid in liver detoxification. They increase the production of glucosinolate, an enzyme that assists the liver in eliminating carcinogens and other toxins. These vegetables are also high in fiber, which helps regulate digestion and supports the removal of waste. 8. Walnuts. Walnuts contain high levels of arginine, an amino acid that helps the liver detoxify ammonia. They also have omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione, which support liver detoxification and protect against liver damage. Adding a handful of walnuts to your diet can help maintain healthy liver function. 9. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is rich in antioxidants, particularly naringenin and naringin, which help protect the liver from damage and reduce inflammation. These compounds also improve liver enzymes and promote fat metabolism, helping to prevent the buildup of fatty deposits in the liver. 10. Green tea. Green tea is loaded with catechins, a type of antioxidant known to improve liver function and reduce inflammation. Regular consumption of green tea can help flush toxins out of the body and lower the risk of fatty liver disease. Opt for freshly brewed green tea rather than bottled varieties, which may contain added sugars and fewer antioxidants. Tips for supporting liver health naturally. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water aids in the removal of toxins and helps your liver function efficiently. Exercise regularly. Physical activity can reduce inflammation and promote better liver function. Limit alcohol and processed foods. Reducing alcohol intake and avoiding heavily processed foods with added sugars and unhealthy fats can help prevent liver strain and fat accumulation. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is essential for liver function as the liver is most active during the body's natural repair phase, which occurs while we sleep. Incorporating these foods and healthy lifestyle habits into your daily routine can greatly support your liver's natural cleansing and rejuvenation processes.